It got dark on me. Didn't get a video in time, so I'm having to do it with a flashlight inside because I can't get around the car with the door closed. Got the right quarter glass molding on. Got the right convertible boot molding on. Got the right trunk lid hinge on. Got the trunk lid sail panel on. Got the center convertible top boot molding on. Got the left trunk lid hinge on. Got the left convertible top boot molding on, and got the left quarter glass molding on. If I'd have had about 30 more minutes, I believe I could have actually got the trunk lid on, but I'm really tired, so I'm not even gonna fool with it. I'll do that tomorrow night. I'm narrowing her down. I got the trunk lid on, got it lined up. All I need to do is put the latch and the lock cylinder in it and do some final adjusting before I move on to something else. I have the trunk lid all lined up. Got good gaps on it also. Have the lock cylinder and everything in. Works real good. Now I'm going to put the tag lights in it. Put the rivet in right there. Then I'm going to fasten the convertible top. Trunk lid's a little hard to close because it's got a new weather strip on it, but it will soften up. Okay, I have the top bolted back down, have the back glass put back in and bolted down, got the top stretched pretty tight. Believe it'll be okay once it gets good and hot in the sun, which hopefully be here before long. Now then, I think I'm going to move on and do one of the doors. Okay, have the windshield pillar post weather strip on, the weather strip cut that goes around the rocker panel and the inside of the car. Have that cut. I have the end pieces on the door. I didn't glue them on yet because I'm letting them contour to the car, getting ready to roll the window up so that it will set to it, and then I will glue it later. Okay, I have the windshield channel and weather stripping on. I have the weather strip cut. I haven't glued any of it on yet because I'm letting it take shape to the car. I have that cut. There's a piece that goes on the top of it that gets glued in. It goes on when I glue the other stuff. I have this piece that goes in here. It gets riveted on. I put it on when I put the moldings on. But I have it. It's sealing off real good. I'm gonna let it sit, and tomorrow I will glue both sides. Sally's sitting out in the sun, soaking her up some rays. Just had to pull her out to see what she looked like. She sure is looking pretty. Okay, here it is, 11:30 p.m. on Saturday night. Me and the wife went to eat, came back, started working on Sally again. I put the side marker lights in the front bumper. I put the body side moldings on the front fender next to the bumper. Put the body side moldings on next to the rear bumper. Did the same on this side. Got this light in, got that on. Put the cowl screen and the two little side moldings on. Put the seal on the cowl on. Put the antenna on. Been at this all day today, but just kept chugging along. Tomorrow, gonna build the doors. Put the body side moldings on the doors. I've got the top fastened back down at the windshield. Got all the black moldings on. Got all the black on the bumpers painted. Got to put me some emblems on. Trunk lid, got to put some emblems on the fenders. I don't have the door trim panels on yet. Don't have the little moldings on top of the door. Got to put the plastic inner fenders in it tonight after we come back from eating. Put the new battery in it. Got to put the new parking lights in the front bumper. And she'll be close enough to drive to Cambridge Square tomorrow night. Got the plastic inner fenders in. Put the door trim panels on. Put the armrest on. I'd say she's probably about 90% complete. Still got to put the new seat foam and seat covers on, new sun visors, 2 moldings on the door, 5.0 emblems and emblems on the trunk lid. Got to give her a buffing all over real good. Clean her up real good, black the inner fenders. Give her a good washing. Start enjoying this beautiful car.